Hi, I'm Donna, your concierge property manager with Elite Vacation Rentals. I'm here to help you get your next Alabama Gulf Coast beach vacation scheduled and on our books. Let me go ahead and show you around. Hi, welcome to Ocean House 2. We're standing in a 4th floor unit. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath that sleeps 8. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for some helpful vacation tips. You'll especially appreciate number 3. As soon as you enter this unit, your eyes can't help but be drawn to your private balcony and your amazing view. As you step out onto your balcony, you'll notice your zero-entry heated pool and your wonderful beach access. Now back inside your unit, you'll notice that your kitchen is well stocked. Your living room is tastefully decorated, and the primary bedroom is located off the living room. It has its own private balcony access and a shared bathroom. The guest bedroom is on the opposite end of the unit, and it has its own private bathroom. This is great for privacy when you're hosting 2 couples or grandma and grandpa. The 3 vacation tips that we mentioned earlier are: number 1, know your property location. We are 1 mile from the hangout and other various restaurants and shopping along the way. Number 2, know your management company. Here at Elite Vacation Rentals, we pride ourselves as being concierge property managers. I will be with you from the beginning of your booking until the end. Number 3, book with us directly through EliteBeachVacations.com. You'll save on third-party fees. Once again, I'm Donna with Elite Vacation Rentals, and I look forward to hosting you. And oh, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates from Elite.